Finding the right automatic watch can be tricky when there are so many options with different styles, prices, and quality levels. A great watch isn't just about telling time, it's also a statement of personality and style. That's why it's important to choose one that offers the perfect mix of design, durability, and precision. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best automatic watches under $100 and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these watches, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the INVICTA 30018 automatic watch, a timepiece known for its precision and rugged design. This model comes with a Japanese quartz movement, caliber PC32, which delivers excellent accuracy and requires very little maintenance. Running smoothly without needing an automatic winding mechanism, the stainless steel case measures about 1.69 inches in diameter and 0.47 inches thick, giving it a strong and durable feel. Its screw-down crown helps improve water resistance, while the flame fusion crystal offers great protection against scratches and impacts, ideal for long-lasting use. With a water resistance of up to 330 feet, it's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or other recreational water activities, keeping its performance and structure intact. The black sunray dial, paired with luminous hands and hour markers, ensures clear visibility even in low-light situations. The unidirectional bezel also makes it easy to measure elapsed time with accuracy. Its polished stainless steel bracelet is about 0.87 inches wide and 7.28 inches long, featuring a fold-over safety clasp and adjustable links for a comfortable and secure fit on different wrist sizes. The date window, placed in a traditional position on the dial, adds a functional detail without taking away from the watch's elegant and clean design, making it a great option for everyday wear. Weighing between 6 and 8.8 ounces, it has a noticeable presence on the wrist, giving a strong impression of quality and reliability without feeling overly heavy. Combines accuracy, durability, and bold styling, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a watch with character, one that can easily transition from daily use to more demanding adventures. Next up, we have the BENYAR automatic watch, a model that stands out for its elegant design featuring an open heart dial and scratch-resistant glass, giving it a modern and sophisticated look. Its brown leather strap, measuring about 0.94 inches wide and 8.66 inches long, adds a classic, timeless touch while being soft and breathable. This keeps your wrist cool and comfortable even during long wear or in warm weather. The water resistance of up to 100 feet protects it from splashes, rain, or sweat, making it perfect for everyday use without worries. The surface is scratch-resistant and smooth to the touch, ensuring durability and comfort over time. Its high-quality stainless steel case, combined with blue hands on an analog background, creates a refined appearance that blends strength with style. Powered by a precise quartz movement, this watch delivers accurate timekeeping without complications, ideal for those who want reliability in their daily accessory. Thanks to its versatile design, it works well for any occasion, whether at formal events, casual outings, indoors, or outdoors. Its style makes it a functional yet fashionable piece that pairs easily with different outfits without losing elegance. Another plus is the official BENYAR service support, which provides expert assistance for any issues related to usage or quality, giving buyers extra confidence and peace of mind. Brings together quality, comfort, and style, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a durable and stylish watch that fits seamlessly into everyday life while still being suitable for more polished occasions. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the INVICTA 30021 watch, a model that perfectly blends strength, style, and everyday practicality. Its stainless steel case measures about 1.69 inches in diameter and 0.47 inches thick, giving it a solid, long-lasting feel. The vibrant blue dial, paired with an enlarged date window, makes reading the time and date effortless at a glance, perfect for daily use. Inside, it features a Japanese quartz movement, caliber PC32, assembled in Japan, known for its consistent precision and reliability. It runs on an included battery, so there's no need for automatic winding, giving you accurate time without extra maintenance. The two-tone stainless steel bracelet in gold and silver tones measures about 7.28 inches long and 0.87 inches wide. It can be adjusted using removable links for a secure and comfortable fit. while the fold-over safety clasp prevents accidental openings, adding an extra layer of security. The Flame Fusion crystal offers excellent resistance to scratches and impacts, keeping the dial well protected. The push and pull crown makes quick, precise adjustment simple, so anyone can operate it with ease. A unidirectional stainless steel bezel, accented in blue and gold, not only enhances its appearance but also serves a functional purpose, helping you measure elapsed time with ease. With a water resistance of up to 330 feet, it's great for recreational water activities like swimming, surfing, snorkeling, or sailing. While it's not designed for professional diving, it holds up perfectly for most aquatic adventures. Weighing about 10.54 ounces, it has a substantial feel on the wrist, giving you the sense of quality and durability that INVICTA is known for. It is a reliable, elegant, and versatile timepiece, ideal for those who want a watch that not only looks impressive but also delivers dependable performance in everyday life. Now let's move on to the SEIKO automatic watch, a timepiece that brings together reliability, style, and comfort in a compact form. It features the SEIKO 7S26 automatic movement with 21 joules, offering a power reserve of about 41 hours and a frequency of 21,600 beats per hour. This ensures precise mechanical timekeeping without the need for batteries, perfect for those who want consistent and dependable performance. Its stainless steel case measures about 1.5 inches in diameter and 0.47 inches thick, striking a great balance between durability and elegance. The transparent case back reveals the inner workings of the movement, a detail that watch enthusiasts truly appreciate. The blue sunburst dial catches the light beautifully, creating subtle reflections that enhance its overall look. A hard-lex crystal shields it from scratches and impacts, while the LumiBright coating on the hands and hour markers ensures clear visibility even in low-light environments. For practicality, it includes a day and date display with quick adjustment, making it easy to keep track of your schedule. With water resistance up to 100 feet, it can handle splashes and humidity without damage, making it perfect for daily wear without worries. The stainless steel bracelet, about 0.75 inches wide, comes with a fold-over clasp that provides a secure and comfortable fit. Its classic design works equally well with formal attire or casual outfits. Weighing around 1.76 ounces, it feels incredibly light on the wrist, so you can wear it all day without discomfort. Delivers mechanical precision, an elegant design, and outstanding comfort, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile, durable automatic watch that fits seamlessly into any occasion. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the INVICTA 8926 OB automatic watch, a timepiece that blends style, durability, and accuracy in a way that's hard to beat for under $100. It's powered by the Japanese NH35A automatic movement with 24 joules, known for its reliability, and it runs simply with the natural motion of your wrist, no batteries required. The stainless steel case measures about 1.57 inches in diameter and 0.55 inches thick, giving it both strength and a sleek appearance. On the back, you'll find an exhibition case that lets you admire the intricate mechanics inside, a detail collectors and watch lovers will truly enjoy. This watch is water-resistant up to 660 feet, making it perfect for recreational diving and demanding water activities. Even in challenging conditions, it maintains its precision and dependability. The black dial features luminous hands and markers for clear readability in low-light situations, while the mineral crystal keeps the face protected from scratches, ensuring it looks sharp over time. Its unidirectional stainless steel bezel with precise markers comes in handy for tracking time intervals, whether you're underwater or just timing something in your daily routine. The stainless steel bracelet, measuring about 8 inches long and 0.78 inches wide, includes a fold-over safety clasp for a comfortable fit and to prevent accidental openings while you're wearing it. For presentation, it arrives in an elegant gift box, along with a user manual and a 3-year limited warranty backed by responsive customer service. This warranty covers adjustments, replacements, and general inquiries, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Offers a perfect mix of classic design, solid build, and dependable performance. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile automatic watch that can keep up with both everyday wear and more demanding adventures. Whether you're heading to the office or exploring the outdoors, this watch is built to handle it all while looking great on your wrist. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect automatic watch or if there's another automatic watch you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, Make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.